division, you would have come across something. Some people, I don't know why they changed the name. The bus stop method. I've always known it as short division. Maybe they avoided that to try and stop you worrying about it. Bus stop you're familiar with, so you're happy with the words. It doesn't matter, it's the same thing. We can either draw it that way up with the answer under here, or we can draw it that way up with the answer on top. They're both the same thing, it just doesn't matter. I'm going to go this way, and the numbers I want to use are 75 divided by 3. Now if you already know this, watch it, because I'm going to be comparing it to long division, right? The method that traditionally was used. We have our 75 in there, leave space, and I want to divide 3 into that. Now I'm going to go very basic on this. Let's go for blue. Going to divide the 3 first into that digit there, then into that digit there, but this one is going to change because there's a remainder. Look, if we want to have 7 divided by 3, we want to know how many 3's will fit in that. There's one of them, there's the other one, that will give us 6. We can't fit any more into that because there's one left, so the remainder is 1. I'm going to change the colour there quite deliberately. The remainder is 1. Now let's look over here. We said we can only fit 2 of the 3's into a 7, so we put no, we put the 2 there. 2 times 3 is 6, remainder is 1. Okay, there's the remainder. We put the remainder here. This now becomes 15. 3's into 15. Well, look, 3 plus 3 gives, if I add them up, gives me 6. Plus 3 gives me 9. Plus 3 gives me 12. Plus 3 gives me 15. So how many 3's will fit into 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those will fit in that. Exactly. No remainders at all. There are other methods. I want to show you this one. All it is another way of writing that. That's all it is. It's another way of writing that. Oh, incidentally, just in case you're not sure about the 15, look, if we have some digits in here, say for example 7, and we have a digit there, that is counting in 10s, that is counting in 1s. If we got a remainder here, right, if we have a remainder and we carry it across, we're carrying across one of these. So in fact this is 10 plus that 5, hence that, which is 15. Carry one of those over and you're carrying 10 of these over. So you put the 10 with the 5 and you get 15. And let's go, shall we? Using the same numbers, this time you definitely do it that way around. There's your 75. There's your 3. Now, you know that when we divide that into that, we're going to get a remainder. How many of those will fit in there? Well, we know that 2 multiplied by 3 gives me 6. So I'll put that across there. We're only dealing with it one column at a time. Do the subtraction, and there is your remainder. See? Remainder, remainder. Just in a different place, that's all. It's here instead of being there, or if you like there, it's put it down here. So that's telling us, by subtracting the 6 from the 7, it's telling us what the remainder is. Now we bring that 5 down to there. So we have the 5. Look, 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 15. 15. They're the same thing as before. Each is the same thing as each other, just written differently, that's all. Okay, we now want to divide 3 into the 15. Yeah? 3 into the 15, 3 into the 15. So let's divide the 3 into 15. We know that 3 times 5 will give me 15. So we put 5 up here. That multiplies the 3, which gives me the 15. Do the subtraction, and you get 0. When you get 0, you know that the number that you're dividing by fits exactly into that. You've finished. That's the difference between bust up or short division and long division. They're just different ways of writing the same thing. All you got to do is remember how you get your remainder. You get the remainder by doing a subtraction. In a way, you get the remainder here by doing a subtraction, just usually you do it in your head. Here you write it down.